Hey guys, so I got this question sent to me sa Facebook Messenger. No? So basahin ko lang yung question sa inyo. I'm gonna answer the question, okay? I'll give you guys my thoughts, right? And what I would suggest sa kanila. It's not going to be what they want to hear, but it's what they need to hear, okay? So yung question that got sent to me was this. Hello, pwede po magtanong, please hide my identity, which I did. Bumili po ako ng brand new car. That's nice. Hindi ka bumili sa akin. Good to know. Tapos yung agreed bi-weekly is 300. Pinauwi na yung car. After a week, nag-deduct ng 340. Tapos hindi pa binigay yung loan documents. Meron pa ba kaming habol dun? Yung 40 na add sa insurance daw na free oil change na 16,000 kilometers. Plus other, hindi naman kami nag-agree. Ano kayang pwedeng gawin? Kasi nasa 5,500 din yun lahat, yung 40 bi-weekly in 7 years. And ito yung response ko, sabi ko sa kanya, magulo and kulang sa detalye ang questions mo. Magulo naman talaga, right? Itong taong to was trying to hide their identity. Hindi buo yung kwento, so hindi ko siya mapayuhan na maayos. And from the whole structure ng question niya, you know, no offense guys, pero tunog paawa eh. Parang pa-victim ang dating eh. So, paano pinauwi sa'yo yung asakyan na hindi pa binibigay yung loan documents? Also want to point out yung sabi niya na agreed bi-weekly. Agreed with who? Right? Kasi if you agreed on 300 bi-weekly, gaya ng sabi mo, right? Tapos yung lumawas sa account mo, 340, dapat aware ka eh. Aware ka na ganun eh. Do you know why? Hindi sila magde-deduct. Okay? Hindi magde-deduct ang bangko, ang financer, ang lender ng payment sa'yo kung wala kang pinirmahan na bill of sale, wala kang pinirmahan na loan documents. Kasi kailangan naming i-forward yun sa bangko. So yung kwento mo dito na 300 ang napag-agrihan nyo, tapos 340 ang tinanggal, na parang pinapalabas mo na hindi mo alam yung nangyari, tapos walang binigay na loan documents, para sa akin, mahirap paniwalaan. And usually nakikita ko tong mga ganitong klaseng questions sa mga tao na nagre-remorse buying. Parang yan, no? Sabi mo mismo sa message mo, right? Anong pwedeng gawin? Anong habol doon? Hindi ka biktima. Okay? Meron kang mga ino-omit na detalye sa kwento mo, right? And for me, from a finance manager perspective, mahirap paniwalaan yung sinasabi mo na nagtanggal sila ng 340 tapos hindi mo alam. Meron kang pinirmahan na bank contracts, kaya nagtanggal ang bangko ng payment sa account mo. Hindi ka biktima dito. Okay? Itong sinasabi mo rin na yung extra 40, insurance na may free na oil change na 16,000 kilometers. This tells me, from my experience, no, hula ko lang, Toyota ang binili mo. Kasi yan ang racket ng Toyota dati. Nagtrabaho ako sa Toyota salesperson, guys, a long time ago. Right? Para bumili yung kliyente ng Toyota ECP, ECP is yung extended warranty nila, right? Bibigyan nila ng, yun nga, 2 free oil changes or 3 free oil changes. Right? So, ito yun. Right? So, hindi siya free. Binayaran mo kasi bumili ka ng ano. I don't think insurance yung binili mo. I think it's extended warranty. Overall, gaya nga nasabi ko dito, magulo, kulang sa detalye yung question mo. Overall, gaya nga nasabi ko, it may sound unsympathetic, but for these kind of people kasi, hindi mo sila pwedeng i-baby. Hindi mo sila pwedeng daanin sa sweet talk. Hindi mo sila pwedeng daanin pa soft. Right? These are the people na kung hindi mo sila i-correct ng tama, and you're not firm, you're not stern with them, they will continue thinking na biniktima sila, right? Niloko sila, right? And based sa kwento niyang magulo, hindi siya niloko. I don't think niloko siya. Right? I think na maybe hindi maganda yung pagkaka-explain nung dealership na pinagbilihan niya. Right? But again, based on the information na binigay niya, hindi sila biktima, right? Hindi sila naloko, wala kayong quote-unquote habol. And Again, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa akin na nagkaltas ang bangko ng payments sa'yo nang hindi mo alam because hindi magkakaltas ang bangko kung hindi mo pinirmahan ang bank contracts na dapat binigay sa'yo ng dealership nung dineliver nila yung sasakyan. That's a question sa dealership na pinagbilihan mo. Okay?